Hi everybody, this is Samurai, and today I'm gonna be reacting to Chainsaw Man, chapter 171. Man, I don't know what we're getting, but I don't know if I'm looking forward to it. This time, I don't think I'm gonna be spending much time looking at chapter 170 because I really want to get into chapter 171. But the first few chapters, the first few pages of the chapter is but I'm just telling Denji how to eat sushi. Oh, yo, page 2. Disobey and you'll lose your chance to see Naita. This asshole, bro, he was saying something like that while fully knowing what was going to happen. He was never planning to let Denji see Naita. Not alive, anyway. Yeah, but keeps bothering him about how to eat sushi, so Denji just flips out. And Bam just seems annoyed. Asa looks lost. Fami, I don't know what to make of Fami. She always has a very dead expression. There's still some doubts over whether public safety is really outside the sushi restaurant. Hard to say if it is, and if his goal, let's say that he succeeded in getting Denji to become, for Pochita to take over. Like, what's the plan after that? I'm just curious. Surely not to say, save me, Chainsaw Man, because that's gonna get him killed. But that would definitely help him with getting public safety not being a problem anymore. But then Bottom says, like, public safety has basically the same goal as them. Oh, and this is when he explains the transformation and Chainsaw Man's true powers, which is something that Denji, this is the first time that he's hearing about it, because, like I said, we had Yoshida mention it in the aquarium arc. But either Denji was straight up not listening, or he just he didn't take Yoshida seriously, or he was just like, I don't know what the hell you're talking about, like, genuinely, I don't know. It's just Yoshida being weird, so he's, discarded it. But here she's straight up like, I don't know what you're saying. Chainsaws don't have that power. And instead of Bunny being like, what do you mean you don't know? Or like, you're dumb, Denji, of course I did. She's just like, yeah, you're right. Why would they have that power? And yeah, that is weird. Why does Pochita has that power? Could be that Chainsaw's original had many uses. But after Chainsaw Man erased a lot of things, cutting out trees was the only one that remained. That's an interesting theory. Only Pochita would know, though. Denji keeps eating sushi that he gives him. And yeah, we need two things. Everyone's fear and your own happiness. I don't know about everyone's fear. Because, like I said last time, Makima still hadn't fully succeeded on her plan of making everyone a Chainsaw Man fan. When he turned into Pochita. I think it was during a fight. Or during the fight that she revealed that. But maybe it already was and she just revealed it after. Recent superhero styles meet that of pain. Though he's becoming over the fear and powers aging and sickness. I wonder if those are devils as well. The aging devil, sickness devil. I would be surprised if they weren't. But just keeps ordering freaking sushi. Well, this is when we get the pages of people freaking out and reacting to what seems to be Narita's head. First we get some random characters, then we get to Haruka and Nobana. We get to Katana, bro. Bro, it's insane how something actually made Katana react like this. Like, even him, just a cold yakuza dude, he was like, ew, what the hell? Just seeing that. That's how you know Bottom is truly awful. Asa also has a very, I don't know if I'd call it is a strong reaction. It's definitely stronger than, just seeing dead people in the ground. Like when they were taking the train to go here in the first place. But yeah, she doesn't have a memory of how Naito looks. So she's just reacting to staying ahead in a sushi plate. Also interesting, we don't see Fami's reaction. You would think she would recognize the smell of her sister. So what's up with that? And how fine was she with the way that Banem feels about Naita and what he wanted to do with her? Is Femi actually okay with Naita dying? I don't know, bro. Also, yeah, I'm still in copium believing this is not actually Naita. I completely forgot that she actually has a mole under her left eye. And there's like some weird like veins next to her hair here. And there's something also in the plate. So there's something going on here. I don't think it's Naita. I'm still, I don't know. Say that I'm in denial, this is not Naita. Fujimoto would not kill her off screen. But so there's just some weird visual cues that I feel like might be telling us this is not her. Regardless though, if Denji believes that that's her, regardless of if this is not her, Banem has accomplished what he came here to do. Because if Denji believes that night has gone for good, there's nothing for him here anymore to keep on living. So that might either get Pochita out, or Denji will like completely break down crying. Like a whole Gon when Neferpitou tells him something. Hunter spoilers. When Neferpitou tells him about Kite. So, okay, let's start next chapter. 171. Title, Special Division 5. Okay. Oh, yep. First panel is Denji reacting to it, looking at the head. Oh man, and just big ass panel of Denji just freaking the hell out, just silently. Look at his eyes, all sweaty, just with the biggest despair on his face. No, you the. Yeah, everyone else just saw a head. They didn't know who that was. So now that he actually said the name, they were like, oh shit. And then there's Phantom not smiling anymore. Sorry, but this is downright cruel of me, isn't it? Fuck off. No way around it, though. It's to save the world, after all. And he just goes on to keep eating sushi. Yeah, bro. The G just went for his throat. Oh, wow. What? Oh, shit. I was like, there's guts coming out of Denji. But when did he get hurt? No. This is from the Chainsaw Man coming out. Oh, yo, a small panel of Asa reacting to it. Yeah, the intestines are wrapping around him. Yeah, I remember. Oh, Denji. I feel so bad for him. God damn it, I hate Fujimoto, bro. But it is interesting that we still haven't seen him actually start transforming. Oh, yo! Straight up just ripping Bunny's head off his body. Yo, look at that. Deserved. It almost looks like his head fell with a smile. Ah, great. Yoru's back. Oh, Bunny's body falls. Ooh. And a double page spread just for Pochita coming in fully. There's no transformation secrets. Bro is just there. Holy. Well, I was like, maybe, because Bottom is bringing it up, maybe there's gonna be a subversion where it doesn't happen. Okay, no, okay. Here he is. This basically just Pochita coming in, so Denji doesn't have to keep suffering. He's basically, on a safe space right now while Pochita is out. I love the double page spread though. On Nona, Haruka, and Yoda are reacting to it. Ooh. And the next page is just Pochita looking menacing. Yeah, everyone runs away. Yeah, public safety was right outside, huh? Well, I doubt they're gonna be able to do anything to Pochita, but let's see. Shit, man. Now, how the hell are we? The only way I can see Denji being brought back from this is if Nayuta is actually right in front of him, alive. Target sighted at the front of the building. Eyeless black chainsaw man confirmed. Oh, they know the difference between them. Devil Extermination Division 1 Team A and Devil Extermination Division 2 Team B. Commence action. A Special Division 5 has arrived at the destination. Whoa. This is you guys, the Special Division's big debut. Your performance today will determine whether you'll be protected as members of public safety or put down as useless devils. I see. You know what? I can't even hate them. They don't really have much of a choice, but... Oh, the first one looks really interesting. no eyes. Almost seems like there's no mouth either. Big ass horns going like this. And everything, all the skin looks very wrinkly. And the one under it has like black eyes with white pupils. And then like white circles under one eye. And a light colored hair. But weird, maybe weird colored skin. Like red or blue. Your job is to damage Chainsaw Man in any way you can. So I'm guessing these are all fiends and devils. Whoa. Now Mickey Mouse looking devil, big ass ears. Also no eyes. Has wrinkly skin. And a very humanoid one with like a hat that has like spikes and pigtails. It's fine if you can't kill him. If you can keep him from leaving, you'll receive your due recognition. Survive and I'll personally treat you to as much boost and sushi as you want. Another fiend? Looks like half is a human head and the other half is like a crocodile. Whoa. A lot of, I was gonna say introductions, but not really because we didn't get names, but just seeing a lot of new characters. They might just be for this, like, maybe all of them get killed next chapter, but for now, these are all new characters. On that note, Special Division 5 commence operation. Oh, and this public safety guy. And that's the end of the chapter. I hate you. Oh man, Pochita leveled that place. It looks like the whole sushi restaurant just turned into rubble. Last time, I think, with Kobeni and Family Burger, Pochita couldn't really speak proper sentences. The whole thing became a meme, you know? The way that he'd say, like, burger and, like, date. So I wonder if he can actually speak properly now. And if he does, is he just refusing to do it? Bro, what are Pochita's thoughts? Well, this whole thing has been going on. Man, it was only 13 pages, no wonder it felt so short. And there was barely any dialogue either. But I mean, just by looking at the characters' reactions, I feel like it's pretty clear what they're feeling. But yeah, this was the last. It was the nail in the coffin for Denji. The hope of finding Naruto was the last thing giving him a reason to keep going. There's nothing anymore, as far as he knows. But Naruto's still alive. Okay? I just know it. But of course, Fushimoto wasn't going to let us know that one chapter after. But yeah, the sequence where Denji grabs Bunny by the neck and the guts start getting all around him, and then he just freaking decapitates Bunny with one hand. Good lord. Oh, yeah, I wonder if there's something to the fact that right after saying that, even after the fact of, what happened between Yoru and Asa just seeing Banim's head fall and seeing that Denji did it. Like she gets into such mental distress that it lets Yoru come back out. Like, yeah, she knew that he was Chainsaw Man, but he'd never seen him, like, do something like this, I think it's definitely more shocking the fact that he did it in him still looking in his human form. And then just boom, 1 second later, Pochita's the one in control. Now, how is Banim? I feel like if Banim died like this, I don't want him. It's complicated, okay? He's such a good antagonist, so therefore I kind of want him to stay. But like, goddamn, he's such an evil bastard. I want him gone. So I'm conflicted whether he should come back from this or not. Like, he can, but should Fujimoto bring him back? And just saying. And that motherfucker Yoru was all like, oh yeah, let me fight Chainsaw Man. And now that she sees the real Chainsaw Man, it's like, let me not do anything. This is what she wanted all along. To fight the Chainsaw Man that beat a piece of her and erased it. And now that it's here, it's like, let me not. Okay. But yeah, the rest of the chapter is just about Division 5 all having been, well, we don't know. I was gonna say being all prepared for this, but we don't know exactly what kind of devils or fiends they have for this. And even they're aware that, like, yeah, we're aware that you're probably not gonna be able to kill him, so we're just asking you to keep him from leaving. But why? Why don't they want him to leave? If they can't kill him, then why do they want him there? I don't know what Public Safety's plan is. But I'm just glad that Yoshida is not here, because that would just add to his tragedy. So this is a Special Division 5, with what seems to be only one human in the group. I don't know, there's a lot of characters here. Six new ones. So I highly doubt that Fujimoto is gonna keep more than half for the long run. But we'll see. I would have liked to at least known what kind of devil or things they are. Like, I don't know. Is one of them the sickness devil? To be like, oh, okay. But no, so, yeah. Fujimoto could have just had that one dude. The one that's in charge. Name all of them. For all of them to be like, yeah. Well, we didn't. So that made me think maybe we're going to lose a lot of them. Or just Fujimoto didn't feel like it. But yeah, man, that was those first few pages. My heart aches for Denji. Like, you'd think I would have grown numb to it by now with how much Fujimoto tortures him. But no. Like, it really hurts so much. Like, it's not just, like, oh, his last family member is gone. We also gotta remember the whole him feeling guilty by the fact that if Narita died right there when he last saw her, he was going to blame himself. Not, well, it is a big part, but not just because of, you're always the cause. You don't deserve to have a family. But also, he did tell Narita, I don't need you anymore. We should stay away from each other. Granted, she basically said, no, no, you big dummy. You still do need me. But the fact still says that he did say that to her, and all of that just is weighing in on him, and just crushing him so overwhelmingly so that he just couldn't handle it. And that's why Pochita came out. And yeah, just the amalgamation of all those things together is what makes this so tragic. So yeah, not much else to say. So if you enjoyed my reaction to this chapter, please like and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.